How to connect 8bitdo to PS5. The 8bitdo controller is not natively compatible with PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 consoles. This means you cannot simply connect it directly and expect it to work. To use your 8bitdo with PlayStation 5, you will need a third-party adapter. These adapters act as a bridge between your controller and the console. The 8bitdo USB wireless adapter 2 is one of the most reliable options. It offers vibration support when your controller is in X input mode and works with both PS5 and PS4. Brook Gaming also offers excellent adapter solutions. The Wingman XE and XE2 adapters support various controllers, including Xbox, PlayStation, and Switch Pro controllers. That's it. Thanks for watching.